Hi, Ben's Machine Shop. This tape is about restoring an old cupboard I gotten given to me about 26 years ago from a work colleague that retired. He's long since passed away, but when he retired he gave it to me. He had it for quite a few years from he was a young lad. He kept his tools, lunchbox, things in it, and the only thing I did to it since then was put a bit of a back on it to strengthen it up, and I wish to restore it. This is the restoring. This is an very old cupboard I got many years ago from a friend that has passed away, and I think it's in need of a lot of TLC, so I'm going to do it up. Going to restore it. I'm going to take the grinder off of it. This is it with the grinder off of it, and just a rub with a cloth. It's over 80 years of age, this little cupboard, and it's still too good to throw out. But regarding its sentimental value from the person that I got it off, I would like to restore it. I'll change the colour off of it. And do it up. Always use a mask. I'm using the small sander I didn't want to use the heavy disc saw for the age of it, but it seems to be cleaning it up nicely. And always wear a mask when you're sanding. I have this to do, the sides, and I'll do something with the top. The top has been, like, I might paint it red, I don't know, but it'll have to get a primer coat. I got the sanding done. There's been 2 or 3 different coats of paint on it. The dark green, the light green. The original looks to be a grey, so I just might go back to the original grey. I will not touch the inside of it. Solid enough, just give it a wipe with a cloth. And give it a good rub down before I prime it. This is a back I put on top of the original back just to make it more sound. It is a sound little cover. A very handy little cover. I will put casters on it to make it nice and movable. As I say, it had been originally grey. That's about the third coat of paint down. So I may go back to the grey originally. The coat of primer. And to me, a reason to go on. You're my breath. I'll do the top matte black. You're my shelter from troubled winds. You're my I will do it in life's ocean. A grey, but that's the primer. This is it. Painted. I just give the shells and that a bit of a clean. It's still a sturdy little cupboard for its age. On account of where I got it, I would like to hold on to it. I've done nothing to it. I have it now for 25 years, but I put a bit of a back on it. And just give the inside of it a wipe. I've only now to put the wee casters on it. These are the casters. They're only small, 2-inch, but they're all swivel. I didn't get too steady and too swivel, which means it can be moved any which way. Get these on now and it's ready for filling. Casters. This is it. Casters on it. That's nicely cleaned out. 1 good deep shelf. 2, 3, 4. not too bad. Now, this is it in place. I have a few items on the door. Mostly filled, not quite yet, but getting there. Now, V-blocks, etc., micrometers, verniers, and a few other items. Now, this tin is a few items I got from Flea Market and given to me, and this is for another tape. It's a handy little cupboard. Now that I have seen it restored, I think it's too good to throw out. Still cupboard space. Right. That is my old cupboard. I am glad now I did not throw it out after I've seen it done up. And it's a handy little cupboard, like Mr. Pete 222 or Keith Fanner or A-Bomb 79, or those would say cupboard space is always welcome. Drawers, I have quite a few drawers, but just the one little cupboard, and I'm glad I held on to it. This is Ben's Machine Shop. I'm Benny. Any of you thought of interest, press the like button, or I welcome your comments. Thank you for watching.